Welcome back. We are now going to start the next spike cluster section, and I am starting with my neutral tone because I'm going to be using my warm tones, which includes my yellow and my orange and my pink. All right, and in this corner you're going to start with your chain 1, single crochet, chain 3, 2, 3, and single crochet. And for this row and the next 3, we are going to do just like we did with the green down here. We're going to do 4 rows of just single crochet. So go ahead, and I'm going to actually let you go on this one, and I'll come back to you when I'm switching over to my yellow color, because these 4 rows right here are going to be super simple for you to do. It's just doing a single crochet all the way around, and then when you get to your corners, you're going to do single crochet, chain 3, single crochet on each of the corners. And then when you're doing your rows, once again, for the second, third, and fourth rows of this, you're going to slip stitch over to the corner and start your corner there. All right, so I'll see you back here after round 45, and you should have 108 stitches per side after round 45. Round 45 is complete. I have 108 stitches per side, and I'm going to start on round 46, which we're actually going to bring the spike cluster back into our blanket. Go ahead and make your first corner, which is going to be your single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, and then we are going to single crochet into the first 6 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, we're going to spike cluster in the next, and then we'll go back to our normal repeat of that pattern where it's spike cluster, chain, or a single crochet into the next 5. So down 2, over 2, down 2, down 2, and over 2, keeping it to the right. And then get that stitch that's kind of hidden. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Spike cluster. Grab a stitch behind. That's 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you're going to continue this across a total of 17 times, this particular repeat. This is going to be fairly simple because it's going to finish up on this side with 5 stitches, the same way that, well, we started with the 6 stitches over here, but you're going to finish with the 5 over here. And go ahead, once you reach here, and slip stitch to your first single crochet like you're used to doing. And then once you do that, slip stitch into your corner, and you're going to do 3 more rows of single crochet the same way that we did down here where we did our spike cluster row, and then we did 3 rows of single crochet. Okay, so I am going to meet you back when we change our color one more time. I'm going to switch to an orange on my next color change. So when you are working this along, you'll go through row 49. We are on 46, so we'll have 47, 48, 49. 47 through 49 are going to be strictly single crochet rows. And then when we join back here with round 50, we're going to do another slip stitch, but spike cluster row. So I'll meet you back here after 3 more rows of single crochet after your spike cluster row. I hope I didn't confuse you. Okay, I'll see you here in a few more rows. Okay, I've completed all the way through round 49. I've made sure that I have 116 stitches per side. We're going to start with round 50 now, which means we're going to do another spike cluster row. We're going to start this in our corner like normal with a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. Go ahead and single in 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. We're going to spike cluster. And then we're going to single in 5 like normal. 3, 4, and 5. All right, so we're going to repeat the spike cluster 18 times going across, and then you'll single crochet into your last single crochet once you get over there. You're going to put single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into each corner. But at this point, I think you guys are probably pretty familiar with doing the spike cluster rows and what to expect from them. So I'm going to actually let you go ahead and continue working round 51, 52, and 53. We're on 50 right now. Once you hit round 53, which is going to be after doing 3 rows of just plain single crochet, you should have 124 stitches per side. All right. Go ahead and continue this going all the way across. Follow your instructions, and I'll see you after round 53. All right, I have completed all the way through round 53, and I have 124 stitches per side. I'm going to take my last color in this section. This is the last time that we're going to be doing a spike cluster row, and I'm going to use my pink. This one's going to start just like normal. Single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. All right, we're going to single crochet into 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now spike cluster. And single in the next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to do that spike cluster, single crochet in 5, 19 times. Okay, I feel like you guys have probably got a pretty good handle on doing a spike cluster row followed by 3 rounds of single crochet. So I'm going to let you go ahead and take this all the way to the end. You're going to finish with round 57, and you should have 132 stitches per side. This is kind of exciting because we're almost to the end of this blanket. We're going to work on our actual border section after we complete this last section of spike cluster. All right, so this is going to be the end of this video. I will come back and we'll quick talk about the end, but get ready for your border after this. All right, everything is completed through round 57. I went ahead and I slip stitched with my first single crochet to join, and I cut it off. I have 132 stitches per side. You can go ahead and cut off your color and get ready to do the border.